How's it going? It is Peach here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Don't mind me, I got out of the shower and I changed to my pajamas. I have no idea if you guys can see me very well because I can't see behind the camera. But today I thought I would show you my bedroom, kind of like a bedroom tour, because there's a few things that I changed, but I am going to film a new one next year because I am moving in January. But I thought I would show you what my bedroom looks like now, because there are a few things that I changed. My mom got a couch and she had to put in my room, and so there's a few things that changed, and you'll see compared to my last video, I think like back in 2016 and stuff. So I'm going to stop talking and let's just get to the video. So right here, it is my door. And this is what my bedroom looks like when you get in. So when you come to the left, when you come in my room, I have right here, I just have a few jackets, my black coat, my hat, when I go running, my robes and stuff like that, hanging off behind my door. And then I have right here, these clothes I'm selling, so haven't quite sold them yet. But this is kind of like where I would hang all of my purses. And then right next to it, I have this little bucket that I have all my my workout clothes that I'm going to wear for the week, my resistance bands and stuff like that. And then I have my sinkers right here. Then you come over here, I have my speaker. That didn't move, nothing changed about that. What did change is the color of my wall. I painted it white, so you'll see that throughout the room. And then right here, this is kind of new, I think, for you guys, is my, this is a mirror. So there's me, how's it going? It's kind of focusing right now. But it is a mirror, but it is also my jewelry. So right here, you have my earrings, which I'm missing some earrings. I lost some. Have no idea what happened. My earrings right here. So my long necklace is right here. My necklaces that's a little more fragile or more choker and stuff like that. And then down here is just extra jewelry like bracelets and stuff like that. Let's close this. And right here is my side table, which has not changed. I have my books. So this is my cooking journal thing. My hours of that I did for work, my personal journal, and then I have no idea why, but it's my dictionary for English to French and French to English. My medication, don't need to know about that. My buzz card, this is supposed to help to make my room smell good. And then my dog is right here. Right job, Billy. And then I just have random stuff on this here, so I have a big bottle of 2 liters, random stuff for my phone, chargers and stuff like that. And this right here is kind of new, is my bed. I got it for Christmas of 2019. So this I have different sheets. I forgot to mention, I also have this picture of a wolf because I'm very, very obsessive of wolves at the moment. Then I also have the thing above my bed where I put my books. The only difference is I have the star things that lights up during the night so I can pick it up, which I haven't done in a while. So that's new. And right here is the couch that I mentioned earlier about my mom getting and stuff like that. So I have the couch right here. And the mirror is still there for my makeup and stuff, which you can see where I broke from my ex that I tried to remove it. I don't remember how he broke it and stuff, but I just know he just broke it. But there's the couch, my carpet. Of course, my dog has to follow me everywhere but to be in the camera. I still have the chair. A white chair, some type of chair, but I think this is a different chair, but you guys kind of already so much seen it from my other videos and stuff. But it's a chair. I have this white fur on it, fake fur, and then I have a wolf pillow, and I have this lamp. Behind my chair I have my stepper, and then I just have a random bucket thing where I put some stuff that I just throw. And then I have a mat, yoga mat right there, so when you come in you don't really see it. But this here is like what you saw in 2016, but it was just laid out. So everything is basically the same thing. So I have all my perfume there. The little 3 dogs glass thing that my great grandmother gave me. And then I have this little white art thing that I got way back in 2016 when I went to the beach. And then this is just a little book of about wine. So this is just where I put all my bras and stuff. This is just random stuff of me putting my makeup and just some stuff, other vacations I went to. These are the books that I used to study for childcare and stuff like that. And then we come down here on the second row. I just have my underwear. And then the box next to it is just random stuff for like pens and stuff for school. You go to the third row, and I just have my socks. And then here is just my folder for work with all my contracts, coloring stuff, recipes, all that good stuff. You go down lower, and here in this box, it is just random technology stuff that I like to use, like my camera box where I put my camera. This is my tripod that I like to use if I'm just sitting down for a vlog and stuff. And then right here, this is kind of my beauty stuff. So I have my hair straightener, nail polish, my creams to protect my hair while I straighten my hair. And then I just have a random light. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. So let me get a better view of the lamp. That's what it looks like. I still have some type of dream catcher hanging off, but the last one was blue, but I gave it to my cousin, because she was going through a theme with blue, and I'm not doing that theme anymore. But I have this now, kind of like a beige, kind of white thing going on. And then I still have this thing where I put my old sneakers on. It's just, this is where I put my binders and my books for school and stuff. And this is where I have my makeup desk. That is for friends and family, so when I go to New York, I don't forget to pack them and stuff like that. And so on my makeup desk, right here is my makeup brushes. This is where I put all my makeup brushes also. This is where I get my highlighter brushes and stuff like that. Right here is, I probably should fix that. But then I have my cream for my feet, self-tanner to clean my shoes. This is where I put all the scents where I showed you earlier on my side desk to clean. That makes my room smell good. My dog's perfume, lotion to help me to fall asleep. A ring that my uncle made a few years ago, if I can open it. There you go, that's what it looks like. And this is what my cousin drew. Some shells, seashells that I got from the beach. And then here's the matte thing to help me to put my self-tanner on. Here is where I put my eyebrow, my eyebrow crayon, and the setting spray on. And here is just extra layer of perfume and my eye primer. Here is just a little extra jewelry that I'm going to put in my bigger jewelry box. A random notebook with a pen. And then here's all my foundation that I put on, and I have oh, excuse me. This is a concert ticket that was supposed to go back in March, but that got moved to November because of the coronavirus. Now we go to the drawers of my makeup on how I organized it. The first drawer is just my lipsticks. I love my matte lipsticks. I've been going crazy with that for a while now, for the past year. Then all of my eyeliners, which they are all hiding for some reason. Then you have my eyeshadows. I have a lot of eyeshadows, which is weird because I barely put any eyeshadows on because I'm terrible on putting them on. But for some reason, I have a lot of them. Then this is where I put my mascaras. And the last but least, I just have a concealer and then just some random stuff up there. And then on the drawers, I forgot to mention, this drawer, I have my sheets and some chocolate for my friends and stuff, so my mom doesn't eat them. And then more sheets for my bedroom, for my bed. And then these two other drawers, they're more of my scarves that I put in. So I kind of sorted what's more for winter and what's more for spring. Now we come to my closet. So this right here is my closet. That has not changed. But when I do move, I am not going to bring this with me because it would not look good. I will actually have a real dresser. But come over here. This is more of my summer clothes. Or this, so I have really got a ton of it. I got goes all the way back there, which I have tons because I really went crazy this year because I gained so much weight and just nothing fits me very well, so I had to go out. Then I just have random t-shirts. I have jeans, all my pajamas there. I have more jeans and shorts. I have one pair of shorts over here. And then on this thing, it's all my workouts. So I have my leggings and shorts here to work out. All my t-shirts. And this is where I usually put my sweatshirts when it's cold out. So I'm going to close this. This is really annoying to close at times. They come over here. I have my tank tops, pajamas, and my sweatpants. This part is more kind of like, almost kind of like for our winter kind of stuff. So I've kind of like sweatshirt, not really sweatshirts, but jumpers kind of. Dresses that's more for the fall kind of thing. My plaid shirts, because I love my plaid shirts and stuff like that. I have a lot of my blazers and stuff like that, places to out for work and stuff like that. And they come over here, and this is where I wear a lot during the winter because I just feel more comfortable. Is all my sweatshirts. I am very, very obsessive with my jumpers, my sweatshirts, and my jackets. For my jackets, I do have a lot of jackets going on for literally for each season. So there's that. Okay guys, that will be it for my video for today. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a like because it helps my channel up a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it helps me out a lot. And don't forget to sign up the petitions, which will be down below of the matter on what's happening right now. So there's that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.